Monday weekly trade. Get a shiver down your spine, a little twitch under your eye. First, you gotta get in early to pull in all the numbers. Run your report. Go get a coffee because it takes that long to run, and that's just your stock numbers. Gotta run it again for sales. Once you have your exports, having to pivot to make sense of the sea of numbers before you.
Pivot!
But what good are numbers if you have no idea what products they are referring to? Spending more time copying and pasting pictures than thinking about qualitative commentary on what happened in trade last week. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've been there, so we get it. Hey, I'm Maddie from Arcade, and in this video, you're gonna see how a team of ex-spies and merchandisers decided there has to be a better way to Monday trade. So we built it. How you can have your Monday trade ready to go in literally 3 clicks of a button. In Arcade, we pull all your data from your multiple systems, plus a elusive photo for you right here in one spot. No more copying and pasting. How easy is it? Click on our templates here. One of my top 20 bestsellers. Ta-da! Your bestsellers. It's that easy. But not everything sells the same across your channels, right? So use the filters over here to select whatever channels you may have. Online, wholesale, retail, even down to store. Now it's this easy, you have the freedom to get deeper. Just look at your top 50, just like this. Usually the number one question to kick off trade is, how did we do? How are the sales? What are they versus last year? Here in roll-ups, you see all the info you need. Sales performance by channel, by store, by category. Need to know exactly which products are driving the volume in online's bottoms? Hit show all products and see instantly. But Monday trade is more than just reporting on the numbers. Well, it should be anyway. You gotta be making the moves in season to make sure you're gonna hit those all-important targets that everyone's eyes are on. Never seen anything like this before. For example, I wanna keep an eye on the online products that are in stock but have broken sizing, that have a sell-through of less than 80%, and that is older than 12 weeks old. You can literally see what you need to address before your eyes, cutting out the noise, getting right to what you need to do. Change what is on these cards to what is relevant to you. I can see these are full price right now, but they won't be for long. Take action. Apply markdowns, send to stores to consolidate, or for online to move to the sale section on site. Like I said, no more running reports for days. Let's get on it. Get trading. This is what you should be doing on Mondays. So it's Arcade, you're done running the numbers by 9:05, and that's because you got in late at 9 a.m. What's even better? Once you've built your silver platter here, save it as a save view, ready for you to pull up next time in literally 1 click. Where was this when I was in merchandising? Monday trade is something you and your team do every week. And if you're not using Arcade, how much time are you wasting being manual? And what could you be actioning that actually makes you sales or profit? This is just the tip of the iceberg of Arcade. Discover how we can become your merchandising advantage today. Book in a meeting now. Let's talk.